we are gonna do a puppet show on our episode 2, season 1 comedy show. And here is Esty Fair. And Ava doesn't want to see her face, but he has Pete the Cat.
Get that out! No, Jack, we need to redo it. Jack,
No, absolutely not redoing it. Let's do a puppet show.
Okay.
I want a chef. I want the chef.
Okay, start the puppet show.
Hey, let's eat the cash. Hey, let's eat the cash. Let me do a puppet show for you. Hey, what's your name of the cat?
Pete the cat.
No, talk in your original voice.
Pete the cat.
No, talk like an American voice.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And why do you have the heart on the there? It makes me want to kiss you.
Hello, what's your name?
It's a hello neighbor. And you look like a clown and you look so good. You're the guy from Hello Neighbor, aren't you? You are the Mr. Wilson. And that's the end of our comedy show.